If you're wondering how to find the archive stories on Instagram, the stories that you posted in the past, and you have no idea where to find them on Instagram, well, no worries, because this is what I'm going to show you in this guide, where to find these stories that you posted in the past. So that being said, let's jump straight into this tutorial. I will open up my Instagram app, and now this will be the newsfeed page, but we'll have to reach our profile, and here you have to locate the main menu. In the upper right side of the screen there are 3 lines. I will hit on them and you have to go into archive. I will leave an arrow on the screen to help you find this, and I will press right on it, and here you can find all the stories that you posted in the past. Here is the history, and you can select from stories to post archive or to live archive if you are doing any lives. But if you are interested only to see your stories that you archive, press the first one, and here you go. Those informations were just as a bonus. So if I helped you with this tutorial, don't forget to thumbs up the like button, and please have a great day.